was your reaction when the story was told to you? Because when I saw the movie, what I wanted to do is I wanted to go and slap all the boys. But you show your empathetic side. So, yeah, how did you react?
No, I guess, Komal, you and I are in probably a different situation from Surekha.
Yeah.
Different, and yet in a lot of ways we're all trapped in this patriarchal mindset.
Yeah.
Sometimes unconsciously, without even being aware of it. But when I first heard the story, my first question to Shan Vyas, the director, was that how are you going to tell this story in 30 minutes? That's impossible. But when I read the script, I realized that, it is possible because it's on paper. And then, of course, once I watched the film, I said, thank God it's a short film, because it is a kind of film that makes you uncomfortable.
Yeah.
Like one of my favorite shots in the film, Komal, is when there's a close-up of all the men at the dining table with mustaches, and they're all eating, and it's just a close-up of their mouths.
Yeah.
And the woman is serving them food in a ghungat. That says it all. Such a powerful scene. Even before a word is spoken, I think that scene, that shot just sets the stage. So yes, it would anger me. I remember when I was in that ghungat, I was really irritable.
Yeah.
And because I'm not used to having anything on my face. And I told myself, as an actor, in between takes, I would take the ghungat off, and that was making me uncomfortable. Imagine the women for whom this is a reality.
Reality, yeah, correct.
So yes, I think it angered me also immensely.
All those things on your face, the kind of, the
bruises, yeah.
Yeah, bruises. So I felt very disturbed seeing that on your face, because you've always been the face and voice of power, So
yeah.
How was that? How was that playing that role?
I think, which is why I think empowerment is such a wide term.
Yeah.
What is empowerment for you and me may not be empowerment for Surekha.
Correct.
Or what is empowerment for Surekha may not be empowerment for us. For her, the fact that she is going through this domestic abuse, but really feels unable, feels like she can't do anything about it, and yet has the courage and the strength to make sure that her son doesn't repeat with another woman what her husband is doing to her. I think that is empowerment in that context.
What do you think? How can we change that discourse? कि यार ऐसा ये सब wrong है. How do we bring that?
Firstly, I think if we become aware of the fact that it's wrong, that itself will be a huge step forward. Most of the time, Komal, we don't even realize it's wrong. कोई आपका दुपट्टा खींच के चला जाता है मस्ती में, तो you think, like you said, boys are boys. ये सब मस्ती तो होती रहती है. But that's not okay. And as long as we realize that that's not okay, I think we're in a good place. Because one is first you have to realize it. Once you become aware of it, then probably someday, however long it takes, you'll catch that hand that's pulling the dupatta. And then therefore, the one who's pulling the dupatta will stop himself before he does it.
Yeah.
So it's all, but I think importantly, we have to become aware of what is okay and what is not okay. Yeah. Anything that makes us uncomfortable is not okay.
Vidya, there was a time, people kept saying that Vidya is doing only female-centric films and all, but that आपने वो चूर-चूर कर दिया, because it's no more just any film, but you are the mainstream face, you are the hero of the film, you're the heroine of the film. So now that looking back to that journey that you've had, Vidya, how does it feel? You are one of the most successful actors of India.
It feels wonderful. I feel blessed, Komal, to be doing the kind of work I'm doing and to receive so much love. To have the faith of people who work with me, who bring me such challenging and different stories to tell, unique characters to play. So I feel very humbled, very grateful. And honestly, I've never cared when people have said, "Oh, you're only doing female-centric films." No one asks the Khans why they only do male-centric films.
Exactly. Yeah. True. Correct.